This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Design video product faster. With Envato Elements, get unlimited downloads, After Effects templates, stock footages, fonts, music files, web templates and many more. Visit the Envato Elements, check the first link in the description, and get 70% discount on first month subscription. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Let's start this new year with this cinematic logo reveal tutorial. Here you can see, I have already imported the media files required for this project. You can download them from the below link in the description. This complete After Effects template is also available on my web store, with few new modifications. Check out the link for the template in the description. Now let's start with creating our logo reveal. Create a new composition, name it as Logo Animation. For this composition, I will set time duration to 6 seconds. Now add the logo to the timeline. Here you can scale your logo if needed. Here I will reduce the scale value of my logo, perfect. Pre-compose the logo layer. Name this composition as logo. Select Move All Attribute into the new composition. For this logo composition, in Effects and Preset, search for Tint. Add it to the logo composition. Set the map white color as shown. Perfect. In Effects and Preset, search for Find Edges. Add it to the logo composition. Change Blend with Original to 80%. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fast Box Blur. Add it to the logo composition. For Fast Box Blur, change Blur Radius to 1. Iteration to 1. Perfect. Now select the logo composition. Let's recompose it. Name it as Logo Map. Perfect. Now from the project panel, add the reflection media file to the timeline. Now add the logo composition to the timeline. For reflection map, change track matte to alpha matte logo. For reflection map, in Effects and Preset, search for turbulent displace. Add it to the reflection map layer. Now in Effects and Preset, search for CC Glass. Add it to the reflection map layer. For CC Glass, in Surface, change Bump Map to Logo Map. Change Softness to 0. Change the height to 20. Displacement to 300. Now in Effects and Preset, search for CC Blob Eyes. Add it to the reflection map layer. In Blobiness, change Blob Layer to Logo Map. Change Softness to 10. Change Cutaway to 0. In Shading, change Ambient to 0. Diffuse to 10. Change Roughness to 0.5. You can see the preview. Hide the logo map layer. Here I will slightly increase the scale value for my logo. Here our silver logo is ready. Now let's see how to change this sliver logo to golden logo reveal, or to original glossy logo. To make this as a golden logo, create a new adjustment layer. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Tritone. Add it to the adjustment layer. For Tritone, here you need to set the exact same color as I am going to set. Here you are free to make few changes in color if needed. You can see the preview. Now let's see how to make original glossy logo. Hide the adjustment layer from project panel. Add the logo composition to the timeline. For logo, change the mode to add. Perfect. For this logo composition, set opacity to 70%. You can see the preview. Depending on which type of logo reveal you need, you can keep the layer visible. Select all the layers. Pre-compose them, name it as glossy logo. Now let's add the gradient media file to the timeline, place it below the glossy logo. Now create a new solid layer. Name it as reveal. Make sure the reveal layer is below glossy logo composition. For reveal layer, in Effects and Preset, search for CC Image Wipe. Add it to the reveal layer. At start of the timeline, create keyframe for completion. Now go at 3 seconds, change completion to 100%. Change border softness to 0%. In gradient, change level to gradient layer. You can see the preview. Now hide this gradient layer. Here the reveal effect is in complete black color, so it won't be visible to you unless you toggle the transparency. You can see the preview. Now select both layers, pre-compose them. Name it as Image Wipe. Now hide this image wipe composition. From the project panel, add the smoke background media file to the timeline, place it below the glossy logo composition. If you want to know how this smoke effect is created, then let me know in the comment section. I will create a separate tutorial on it. Now let's animate the glossy logo. In Effects and Preset, search for Set Matte. Add it to the logo composition. Change Take Matte from to Image Wipe. Select Invert Matte. You can see the preview. For glossy logo, in Effects and Preset, search for Glow. Add it to the glossy logo. Change the glow radius to 30. Change glow intensity to 0.1. Change glow operation to screen. Now let's create duplicate of this glow effect. Press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. For second glow, change glow radius to 120. Now again create duplicate. For third glow, change the glow radius to 300. Perfect. Now let's create duplicate of this glossy logo composition. For duplicate glossy logo, in Effects and Preset, search for Unsharp Mask. Add it to the glossy logo. For mask, change amount to 40. Place this effect above all the effects. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Set Matte. Add it to the glossy logo. For below glossy layer, change the mode to Screen. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. For the adjustment layer, in Effects and Preset, search for Curves. Add it to the adjustment layer, slightly adjust the curves as shown. Perfect. Now search for Noise. Add noise to the adjustment layer. Set noise amount to 5%. Now create a new solid layer. Here we will use this solid as color layer. In Effects and Preset, search for Fill. Add fill to color layer. Set the color of your choice. Change fill opacity to near about 7 to 8%. Place it below adjustment layer. Now create a new solid layer. Name it as Solid. For this layer, we will create start and end opacity keyframes. Press T to bring up opacity. At start of the timeline, create keyframe for opacity. At 1 second, change opacity to 0%. Now at 5 seconds, create keyframe for opacity. At end of the timeline, change the opacity to 100%. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's add the cinematic frame. Create a new solid. This will be our frame layer. Double-click on this rectangle tool to create mask for the frame layer. In Mask 1, change Mask Path Shape. Make sure Unit is set to % of source. Set top to 10%, set bottom to 90%. Select Inverted. Perfect. Now let's see the complete preview. Here our cinematic logo reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.